Excellent for fast scrumptious meals, getting ready facet dishes, appetizers, rotisserie rooster and extra. Welcome boost to any kitchen. There are numerous items accessible to frying machine. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best frying machine from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer. Superior know-how that drives air circulate high down for an ideal golden end and crispy tender outcomes each time. Little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create connoisseur meals with the flexibility of a temperature vary of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Excellent for self-basting and tumble frying. High heating aspect with fan ensures optimum cooking and baking efficiency. Air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie. Oven door removes simply and cleans simply with a humid material and dish cleaning soap. Dishwasher secure drip pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, spit, forks and screws. Embrace a non-stick drip pan and a couple of perforated cooking trays, in addition to stainless steel rotisserie basket, rotisserie spit and forks, and carry instrument. Excellent for fast scrumptious meals, getting ready facet dishes, appetizers, rotisserie rooster and extra. Welcome boost to any kitchen. 6 customizable applications for one-touch rotisserie style rooster, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and extra. Number 2. Cuisinart GR4 NP15-in-1 Griddler Stainless. Seek advice from person guide for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding guarantee insurance policies. This product is BPA free. Cuisinart's 5-1 Griddler is a contact grill, panini press, full griddle and half griddle. The griddler plates, 11-inch x 9-inch, are detachable, reversible and are dishwasher secure non-stick cooking plates. The plates additionally act as a drain for the grease for cooking extra wholesome. The built-in drip tray collects grease and is simple to retailer. Crumbs and inexperienced indicator lights for straightforward operation, dishwasher safe scraping instrument for straightforward clear up, and an instruction guide with connoisseur recipes, so that you can get pleasure from. Sturdy panini style deal with hinge floating cowl adjusts the thickness of meals, selector knob, select grill or griddle perform, and the adjustable temperature controls for grill or griddle. Number 3. Tassi Crisp Electric Air Fryer. Quick on time. Merely load the 2.6 QT capability fryer basket, set the temp and timer, and inside minutes your meals comes out crispy, each time. Wire size. 31.5 inches. The redesigned crisper basket permits for better floor space contained in the air fryer, so meals will get extra crisp, sooner. Excellent for cooking frozen treats like rooster nuggets, fish sticks, and different snacks. This can be a compact air fryer households will love. Half a load of a normal fryer. The Tassi Crisp Air Fryer is your must-have for that first condo, small kitchen, school dorm life, camper or RV touring, whereas its modern design and classy shade choices will accent any kitchen house. The auto shut-off prevents overcooking, and the cool contact deal with makes it secure and simple to make use of. Tassi Crisp Air Fryer makes use of air crisp expertise as a substitute of oil to scale back added fats by 70 to 80% without sacrificing the flavor of your fried meals. Number 4. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This multifunctional air fryer cooks sooner than a standard oven and doesn't require preheating, serving to you obtain a wholesome crispy fried end, utilizing at the least 98% much less oil than conventional fryers. The capacitive contact management display screen show is simple to make use of, and 17 preset choices make any kitchen process simple, from frying and roasting, to dehydrating and baking. Inside lighting means that you can simply watch your meals because it cooks. Equipment embody 3 air circulate racks, chrome steel rotisserie spit and forks, chrome steel rotating basket retrieval instrument, and drip tray. Detachable drip tray and dishwasher secure components make cleansing a breeze. Further friends, or simply additional hungry. Built approach, this air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the entire household in thoughts. The spacious 10-liter unit means that you can make loads of meals, so you can also make sufficient meals for the entire household proper in your countertop, without having to warm up your oven. This versatile product capabilities as an air fryer, rotisserie spit, oven, and dehydrator, good for practically any speedy cooking or baking process. Make wholesome fries with much less or no oil for that completely crispy and engaging, roast a complete rooster, or dehydrate that leftover produce you've been, which means to eat. Number 5. Ninja AG301 Foodie 5-in-1 Indoor Grill with Air Fry. The grill that sears, sizzles, and air fry crisps. Indoor grill and air fryer. Air fry crisp with as much as 75% much less fats than deep frying, examined in opposition to hand-cut deep-fried French fries, utilizing the included 4QT crisper basket. Makes use of 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air to completely prepare dinner or char grill your meals to your required doneness on the grill grate for scrumptious char grilled marks and flavors. With the BTU cooking energy of an out-of-doors grill, it brings outside grill flavors conveniently to your countertop any day of the 12 months. Ninja Foodi Grill, 103x103 grill grate, 4QT. Crisper basket, 6QT. Cooking pot, chef-created 15 recipe ebook and cleansing brush. Remodel meals from frozen to completely char grilled in below 25 minutes. PDF EPFOA free, non-stick ceramic coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are dishwasher secure.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.